Hi, what it do, y'all? What it do? This is your girl E checking in, y'all. We are here at Publix, as you can see. Yeah. Well, you guys, I am going to see if they still have this deal. And today, well, tonight, because it is nighttime, as you can see, it's nighttime. But yeah, it's like 7, is it? Yeah. But you guys, I am going to see if they still have this deal going on at Publix.
Mama, can you get money?
Yeah, it's the soap. I think it's all. What? Okay, go ahead. I am going to hit the over $136 in saving. The extra saving, you guys. I went in and picked that up, and then I'm gonna also grab one of these Publix. So you guys, those are some of the items that's on sale right now at Publix. So be sure if you see anything you want, they are BOGO, buy one get one free, you guys. Everything I'm showing you right now, they are BOGO, buy one get one free. And I filmed this video last night, and it was Wednesday, and Publix new sales do come out on Thursday. So everything right here is buy one get one free. Okay, so I am walking to the detergent aisle. So what I'm looking for, look, you guys, those are all buy one get one free. All buy one get one free. Not this one though, not the chips. But yeah, you guys, I see, buy one get one free. They are out right now. I am so sorry, I got distracted. But they are buy one get one free, you guys. So I am trying to make my way to the detergent aisle, and we are there now. All right, you guys. So this is what I came to the store for the all laundry detergent. Okay, they are buy one get one free, and I also have a coupons. Okay, so everything that you see here up there, they are buy one get one free. All right, guys. So what I was doing here, I don't know if it was a good deal. I was just trying to figure it out. Should I get it or should I not? And if you hear the cartoon in the background, it's my baby Samaya. I am doing a voiceover right now, you guys, because I am trying to get this video out to you as soon as possible. Okay, I don't want to wait another day and post it. And yeah, so get it or should I not? And I forgot how many ounces is it, you guys. But I figured out, why not? It is a good deal. So your girl was still thinking, and as you know, when you Alright, family, we back. But as you can see, your girl always gotta be on the lookout for y'all before you can even go to the store. Maybe some of you guys already been to Publix this morning, who knows. But I'm just showing you guys, I'm searching for y'all to show you guys what's on sale right now. I mean, at Publix. So go ahead and take a look, y'all. Go ahead and take a look. I'm just trying, to get y'all a good little glimpse. You feel me? So yeah, continue watching, y'all. Love y'all, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, you guys. It really helped us a lot. It helped the video to get noticed on YouTube. This is the reason why I asked you guys, and I'm not here to promote. Everything that I'm showing you guys is family friendly, it's good stuff and how to save money. So if you guys can take your time just to pause that video right now, go ahead and give your girl a like and comment down below. Let me know what other video you guys want to see. And yeah, and thank you so much, you guys, for the likes. I'm gonna claim it in advance. Thank you, y'all. Thank you so much. So you guys, I was checking to see if they have any chicken on sale. You know your girl. But they didn't have anything, y'all. You know, I was checking for me and you guys as well. You feel me? So they didn't have anything on sale. So I'm just gonna show you guys all this stuff, you guys. They are gonna be on sale. Well, they are on sale now. When I was at the store, they were just stocking them for the next day. But they are BOGO, honey. Go catch you some. Buy one, get one free. Period, poo. Period, poo. Buy one, get one free. Well, not those right here. You know, not that. But yep, right there. They're gonna be on sale tomorrow, y'all. Buy one, get one free. See? I know you guys love me. Buy one, get one free. I'm just gonna show you guys all the buy one, get one free. Buy one, get one free. No, not the tacos, y'all. Nope. Those was on sale. They were on sale last week. Buy one, get one free. Ding, 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 ding. Buy one, get one free, child. You see that? I know you guys love your girl. Buy one, get one free. Yes. Oh, I think this chicken gonna be on sale too tomorrow. Buy one, get one free, y'all. Buy one, get one free again. Let me stop playing with y'all. But every single pictures that you guys seen is buy one, get one free. And I did pay $12, you guys. $12 for all this stuff. And you guys, I thank you guys so much for watching my video. Thank you. Love y'all. And remember, everything you do in life, always put God first. I love y'all. Stay blessed. Oh, your girl can even talk. Stay blessed. Be blessed. And mwah. See you next time.